guys? We are back on another episode of Trout and Jay. I'm here with my buddy Ragon from GWP Homestead. We're going to be going out here and fishing for some rainbow trout. Something I've never done before, so I'm new to it. Ragon's probably going to show me the ropes here. But
not like I'm an expert, but I have done it a couple of times here.
Done it more than I have. But we're going to get here, we're going to see what we can catch, and we'll see you guys out there. Alright guys, here we go. We're going down to the creek. Like I said, I'm teaming up with my buddy Ragon for this one. Jordan could not make it out today. So, yeah, just us. We're going to get out here and see what we can catch, and hopefully we, I don't know, get a few trout in. Yeah, we're at a very absolute beautiful creek, guys. I mean, look at this. Absolutely beautiful out here. Water's moving very nice. We're going to come back and kayak at some point. Drop some thumbs up down below if you want us to come back and kayak this little creek. So a couple things we got today. I got a little spinner here that we're going to try on these fish, see if they'll grab it. If not, we got some salmon eggs. We'll try to see if they take that instead. So change of plan. Ragon told me to put a salmon egg on here, so I'm going to do it.
Again, I don't know what I'm doing necessarily. We're just going to try it. I've had luck with it before.
You know more than I do. I have never.
The last thing I want to do is claim to be an expert in something that I am not.
You heard it here, folks.
I got some little bait fish jumping up and down over here.
I saw that. I saw them moving out there. Y'all totally just watched me sell those salmon eggs everywhere. You're welcome for the show.
It does help if you open the bail, doesn't it?
It does. Typically. R.I.P.
Oh no!
What do you have to say, Ragon?
I'm ashamed. I'm ashamed of myself. I'm a disgrace to my family. No. It's all right.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Going in. Oh. There we go. There we go, guys. First rainbow trout. Apparently this was the way to go. Dang.
Oh, get you around here.
You think they have sharp fins or anything?
No, just grab them over the top.
Okay.
Slippery. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Get the hook out and throw them right there in the bucket.
Get back here, son. Y'all. All right. After that little mess, got our first little rainbow trout there. Not too bad. So there we go.
There we go.
Put him down the bucket. There you go, bud. Whew.
One step closer to a catch, queen, and cook.
Yeah. So guys, the rig I'm using right now, I got a little bobber up here, about 8 inches down. Got a split shot. Then about 12 inches down, I got the hook and salmon egg. We're gonna try it again. Make sure to go check out Ragon's channel. I'll have it linked in the description below. GWP Homestead, they do a lot of awesome stuff on their farm. You'll get to see baby goats, you're gonna see chickens, you're gonna see cows, you're gonna see kids
Yeah.
So
I got two pretty cute kids, so that's a lot of fun.
it's fun. This channel's really awesome though. It's really wholesome, as I call it.
There we go. That's
good
the exact word I wanted to use. Perfect.
Wholesome. So make sure to check them out though. Like I said, they'll be linked in the description below. There guys, well, we didn't catch any more. We were gonna do like a cook and clean thing, but we're gonna go ahead and let him go. Ain't no need detaining one just for whatever. See you, little dude. Bye bye. And then get some aeration. See you later, dude.
Ready to give it a shot?
Bye bye. There he goes. He's gonna try to make it. He's gonna go right back in the bucket, apparently. Apparently he just wants to live in the bucket.
Honestly, it's kind of cool to see him,
Yeah.
like what he's doing right now, because that's what they're doing sitting in the stream anyway.
Yep.
Like in deeper water.
Pretty neat.
I've always heard that about trout, is they sit behind a log or a rock and they look up. That's why, you know, flies work so well, is they're looking up for bugs and stuff to eat.
Right.
Oh, there he is.
Oh yeah. He's doing
So it's
okay.
kind of cool to see one a little bit tired but still trying to do the same thing.
Yeah.
I'm sure the camera's lost him. I've barely seen him anymore.
Yeah, I still see he's out there near that sunspot there. What's up guys? So we just finished up down here at Casey Creek doing some trout fishing. Didn't have a whole lot of luck, but I did catch my first trout, which was really exciting. We're gonna catch him.
You know, just because this is my home turf doesn't mean I have a home field advantage.
But I had a great time. It's a really beautiful creek, and it's fun just getting out here and doing the fishing and stuff. All right, guys. So we are back at Ragon's farm. So there's this kid's.
It's only about 700 degrees today.
Yeah, it's really hot.
Heat index of about 14 million.
But we're gonna go down to his little farm pond here and do some magnet fishing. There's some goats and everything out there. They have lots of farm animals. They got a bunch of chickens. Look at all the chickens. You want to help pull the wagon? All right, let's help. Help me pull the wagon.
You helping?
Yeah, she's helping me pull the wagon.
Big help. He's always got to be involved.
That's all right. Let's do it. We're gonna trek our way out here to the pond, and we're gonna pull. It is heavy, isn't it? It's got a lot of weight in it.
Get some off-road tires.
All right, guys. So here's the farm pond that we're gonna be tossing the magnet around in. See if we can find anything. Y'all saw it on our Instagram, but we got our cool new wagon here to help us, you know, bring all of our magnet gear and all that good stuff. But we're gonna get the magnets ready, and we're gonna toss out here in this pond and see if we can find anything.
What?
All wet and gross, isn't it? See the big magnet? It's muddy.
Yeah, how you gonna get the big magnet now?
All right, I'll still do it.
Still stay.
All that is just like, here, I'll show you actually.
What you got?
See? So it grabs onto the metal stuff.
Me too.
See?
Okay, that's time for me.
You want to try to pull it?
Yeah.
Help me pull.
Okay.
Help me pull. Pull the rope.
Wait, guys.
Pull the rope. Woo!
Okay.
See if we can find something.
We almost got it.
We almost got it. Let's wash it off a little bit.
Okay. Okay. We can still make. We can still it.
Cool that I picked the hottest day of the year so far to do something.
We can still things. I'm good.
Found some grass.
Yeah. You got them right.
Found some grass, didn't we?
Yeah.
As you saw, that was kind of the end of this little adventure. We had a good time out there though. Especially getting to show the kids and everything. Some magnet fishing and everything. But didn't find anything, but we got a lot more adventures planned out, guys. So If you're liking the stuff that you see, make sure to drop a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. And of course, feel free to drop some comments down if you have any suggestions of stuff we can do next. Till next time, guys, keep it real.